Hi, I am M. Sambaraj, Assistant Professor, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering College, Hyderabad. Today, we are going to start TCS test pattern, that is TCS NQT paper number 3, section A or module 1, numerical ability. In topics in numerical ability, total we have 10 chapters in numerical ability. Time duration 25 minutes. Important topics in numerical ability. Number system means properties of numbers. Important. Second, statistics important. Third, time distance and speed. Fourth, simple interest and compound interest. Fifth, time and work. Sixth, profit and loss. These topics are very important to TCS NQT test pattern. In first chapter, properties of numbers, simplification. Next, LCM and HCF. Third, logarithm. Fourth, algebra. Fifth, sets and indices. These topics are very important to number system. Minimum 3 to 5 marks only properties of numbers based on simplification. Out of 20 to 25 questions, 5 marks only number system using only simplification part. And also remember basic formulas like a cube plus b cube, a cube minus b cube, a plus b whole cube. That formula is very important simplification. Second chapter, statistics, subtopics, mean, median, mode, standard deviation, range and variance. Again 3 to 5 marks only statistics topic. If we concentrate 2 topics in numerical ability, 8 marks out of 20 to 25, 8 marks only 2 chapters in numerical ability part. Remaining topics 2 mark, minimum 1 mark, maximum 2 marks. Suppose time and work 2 marks topic, time distance and speed 2 marks, mensuration 2 marks, time distance and speed 2 marks, simple interest and compound interest 2 marks, profit and loss 2 marks. Next, in foundation section, no need to prepare permutations, combinations and probability. This topic only important to advanced part. Advanced section only important to TCS NQT test pattern, but not foundation section. Foundation section. And also important to ratio and proportion definitions only important. Your questions are based on only concept of the topic. What is the ratio? What is the proportion? Next, partnership definition and concept, allegation definition and concept, ages definition and concept. That models only important to ratio and proportion. This is about numerical ability syllabus. A time duration only 25 minutes. A time factor only important to TCS NQT in numerical ability section part. Section B, verbal ability. Section C, reasoning ability. Foundation section, you concentrate only 2 subjects. One is aptitude, second one is verbal ability. No need to prepare coding part in foundation section. That module available only advanced section in TCS NQT, that is called second module. Again second module, quant, reasoning and coding part means technical ability. In that section, no need to prepare a verbal part. You concentrate only aptitude and technical ability, that is coding test. Okay, right. In next paper number 3, numerical ability section. First example, which is belongs to LCM and HCF. Question number 1. The LCM and HCF of the three numbers 48, 144 and P. A variable is called P or 720 and 24 respectively. Find the least value of P. This problem is belongs to number theory. Subtopic name LCM and HCF. Here important concept of LCM and HCF important. If you know that concept perfectly, then in TCS test pattern, minimum 1 mark, maximum 2 marks. But 2 marks, I think 1 mark compulsory, sometimes 2 marks. But 1 mark only LCM and HCF concept. Here concept LCM least common multiple, HCF highest common factor. Next, LCM is nothing but LCM is always exactly divisible by given numbers. HCF is nothing but numbers are exactly divisible by HCF. L indicate least common multiple. H indicate highest common factor. Next, the difference between LCM and HCF. First point, LCM is always exactly divisible by HCF. Second concept, product of two numbers is equal to LCM into HCF. This is about a concept of the topic. If you know this concept perfectly, then this example very simple. A first method, LCM 48, 144 and P are 720. 720 is called LCM. Application of LCM. LCM always exactly divisible by given numbers. Suppose 48 exactly divisible by 720. Next 144 again exactly divisible by 720. Find out P variable by using option verification. Calculate least possible value. 192. Next 120 exactly divisible. Next 360 exactly divisible. 180 exactly divisible. I think 192 not divisible by 720. Option verification very simple. 720 divisible by 120, 360, 180. But L indicate least common multiple. 120, 360, 180. Least multiple only 120. So option B only correct. This is the method. I think pen not required. Just logical approaching method only important to this topic and this example. Next, suppose calculate a largest value of P, means calculate only HCF concept. HCF is equal to 24. Next, numbers are always exactly divisible by HCF. That condition calculate only highest common factor of these numbers. That is only answer of the given example. This is about LCM and HCF concept. Okay. Important notation number 1. LCM always exactly divisible by given numbers. Number 2. Product of two numbers is equal to LCM into HCF. Number 3. LCM of co-prime numbers is equal to product of the co-prime numbers. HCF of co-prime numbers is equal to 1. Co-prime definition of co-prime. They don't have common factor except one is called co-prime. Next, LCM application, LCM definition. LCM is always exactly divisible by given numbers. HCF definition, numbers are exactly divisible by HCF. Okay, then first question answer using LCM definition. LCM definition, numbers LCM always exactly divisible by given numbers. Calculate only least number, but using option verification, least number only 120. So option B only correct. Okay, right. Next, second example. This is belongs to ratio and proportion concept. A box contains a total of 41 coins of 1 rupee, 5 rupee and 2 rupees. The total value of the all coins in the box is 91. Total amount is 91. The number of 1 rupee coin is 1 more than the total number of 5 rupees and 2 rupees coins. What is the number of 5 rupees coins in the box? Simple concept, amount. A number of coins, amount and value of coin 1 rupee, 5 rupee, 2 rupees. Relation between amount, number of coins and value of coin. Method, we know that the relation between amount to coin and value method. Amount is equal to number of coins into rate for each coin. This is called method of this example. Amount is equal to N into R. N number of coins or denomination. R means rate of each coin. Next, here total number of coins is equal to 41 and amount is equal to 91. One method, option verification. Second method, variable and consider X variable. Consider X variable method. Here first one, option verification. Apply the third condition. The number of 1 rupee coin is 1 more than the total number of 5 rupees and 2 rupees coins. Suppose 1 rupee coin is equal to 5 rupee plus 2 rupee, means 5 rupee plus 2 rupee. 1 more than means 1 plus. Suppose 5 rupee coins is equal to X and 2 rupee coins again is equal to X. Then 1 rupee coins is equal to 2X plus 1. Once more, important, let assumption 5 rupee coins is equal to X, then 2 rupee coins again is equal to X. Then all this is possible, otherwise not possible. If you consider suppose 2 rupee coins is equal to Y, one equation, 2 equations, 3 unknowns, that cannot be possible. Here 5 rupee coins is equal to X and 2 rupee coins again is equal to X, then 1 rupee coin is equal to 1 plus 2X. This is the condition. Okay. Next to option verification method. First method. Suppose consider option D. Option D, 5 rupee coins is equal to 24. Then 2 rupee coins again 24. Next 1 rupee coins, 1 rupee coins 1 plus 2x means 25. But total number of coins 41. 12 plus 25 not equal to 41. Option A is not correct. Next to option B. A is not correct to option B. Suppose 5 rupee coins 8 and 2 rupee coins 8 and 1 rupee coins 2 into 8 plus 1, that means 17. Calculate 8 plus 8 plus 17. Again not equal to 41. Not equal to 41. Option B not correct. Next to option C. Suppose 5 rupee coin 6 and 2 rupee coin 6 and 1 rupee coin 13. 6 plus 6 plus 13 not equal to 41. So A not correct, B not correct, C not correct. Next remaining option D only correct option. Option D only correct method. Here option D, suppose 5 rupee coins is equal to 10 and 2 rupee coins 10 and 1 rupee coins 21. 10 plus 10 plus 21 is equal to 41. Satisfied first equation. Option D only correct. Again check second equation. Suppose option A is also 41. Next verify total amount is equal to 21. Which option is following above two statements? That option only correct. Option D, first statement satisfied. Second statement, amount is equal to number of kinds into rate for each kind. Rate for each kind. First 5 rupee amount. 5 rupee amount. Number of kinds 10. Rate for each kind 10 into 5. Plus 2 rupee coin amount. Number of kinds 10. Rate for each kind 2 rupee into 2. Plus 1 rupee 1 into 21 is equal to 50 plus 20 plus 21 is equal to 91. First statement satisfied. Second statement satisfied. Then option D only correct. This is the method. Easy method if you follow option verification. But important methodology. Amount is equal to number of kinds into rate for each kind. That condition only important to this example. This problem is belongs to ratio and proportion or linear equation method. The next second method using assumption method. Let 5 rupee coins is equal to x and 2 rupee coins again is equal to x. Then 1 rupee coin is equal to 1 plus x is equal to 2x plus 1. Total number of coins is equal to 41. 1 rupee coins plus 2 rupee coins plus 5 rupee coins is equal to 41. 2x plus 1 plus x is equal to 41. Next 4x is equal to 40. X is equal to 10. X is nothing but 5 rupee coins, 2 rupee coins is equal to x. Then 5 rupee coins is equal to x, 2 rupee coins is equal to x, 5 rupee coins, 1 rupee coins is equal to 2x plus 1 is equal to 21. We want only 5 rupee coins is equal to x is equal to 10. Option D only correct. This is about second example. Next, number 3. Third example, profit and loss concept. Marked means marked price means label price, list price. Okay. Yes. A shopkeeper marks the sale price of all items in a shop at 20% above the cost price of those items. However, he offers a discount of 15% on the sale price of these items to his customers. Calculate the profit earned by him in percentage. That means calculate only profit percentage. Profit percentage is equal to profit by cost price into 100. Profit means selling price minus cost price. Here we want to only selling price and cost price but not market price. But question is based on only market price. Next, first statement. Market price is 10%, 20% above the cost price. Here cost price not given. Here clue. If cost price not given, consider only 100 because percentage depending only 100. Let cost price is equal to 100, then MRP is equal to 120. Very simple. First statement completed. Next, he offer a discount of 15% on the sale. Sale is nothing but selling price. Selling price is equal to MRP into 100 minus D1 by 100, where D1 indicate discount. The relation between selling price, MRP and discount concept. Selling price is equal to MRP into 100 minus D1 by 100 into 100 minus D2 by 100 into 100 minus D3 by 100 into and so on, where D1, D2, D3 are called successive discounts. MRP means market price or maximum retail price or label price or list price. This is called customer amount. It's not cost price. It's not selling price. That is depends upon only owner. Owner amount is called MRP. But here only one discount given and MRP also given. Calculate selling price. Selling price is equal to MRP 120, discount 50, then 85 by 100 is equal to 5 into 17, 5 into 2, 2 into 60, 2 into 6, 12. Then selling price is equal to 102. Next, to find profit. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. 1 or 2 minus 100 is equal to 2. Profit percentage, profit by cost price into 100. Profit is equal to 2. Cost price 100. 2 by 100 into 100 is equal to 2% profit. Option B only correct. This is about profit and loss concept using discount method. Discount method application. Discount is always applicable only MRP. Discount formulas. Cost price is equal to MRP into 100 minus D1 by 100 into 100 minus D2 by 100 in 100 by 100 minus D2 by 100 into and so on. Same similarly selling price. Next, discount is equal to MRP minus selling price. Discount percentage. Discount by MRP into 100. This is about profit and loss concept. You may write any TCS NQT test pattern. Minimum 1 mark only MRP concept. Remaining 1 mark general concept. Total 2 marks only profit and loss concept. Okay. Yes, here completed. Marked price concept only completed. 1 mark covered in TCS NQT pattern. Okay. Right. Next, fourth example. A sequence contains of 9 terms arranged in descending order. The mean value, mean is called average. Here using statistics. Mean, median, mode. Mean is equal to average. Average is equal to approximate to middle. If all are sequence, mean exactly middle. Median is equal to middle value of the series. Mode, most repetition number is called mode. Okay, right. Here mean value of the sequence is 30. Here mean is equal to 30. This is called first statement. Number of terms only 9 terms arranged in ascending order. Next, if 20 is added to each term, each term is divided by 5 to get the new mean as Z. Find the sum of Z and original mean. The new mean plus original mean. That is called answer of the given example. Next, application important. Mean is equal to average. Average is equal to sum of n observations divided by n number of observations. Next, application. If average of some numbers is x, if A is added to the each item, the new average is equal to x plus A. Average depending only operator. Addition is given x plus A. Subtraction is given x minus A. Multiplication is given x into A. Division is given x by A. This is called application of average topic. But same application apply here. Mean is equal to 30. If 20 is added to the each term, the new average is equal to x plus A. X is equal to 30. A is equal to 20. Average depending only operator is equal to plus. New average is equal to Z is equal to 30 plus 20 is equal to 50. 50 is called new average. But original mean is equal to 30. Here question is find the sum of Z and original mean. Original mean. Okay. Sum of Z and also divide by 5. Here new mean is equal to Z is equal to 50. Again it is divisible by 5. Divisible by 5. 50 by 5 is equal to 10. Z is equal to 10. Here mean is equal to 30. Z is equal to 10. 30 plus 10 is equal to 40. Option A only correct. This is about statistics mean concept. Okay, right. But important only x plus A, x minus A, x into A, x by A. X is called mean. A is called constant number. Plus minus into division. This is called operator. Okay, right. Next, example number 5. A simple interest and compound interest, but this one using only simple interest concept. Simple interest is equal to PT or by 100. A fifth example, amount, only amount given. At the end of 2 years and 3 years, rupees 1170 and rupees 1305 and a certain sum. It is certain rate of simple interest. Find the rate of interest per annum. Amount is equal to principal amount plus simple interest. Simple interest PT or by 100. Unique formula P principal amount or sum or rate of interest per annum T time in year. But here amount, first equation, amount 1170, 2 years. Next first 2 years and next statement 1305 time period 3 years, equation number 2. Once more, 1170 in 2 years, 1305 in 3 years. Amount only given, equation 2 minus 1. Time period only 1 year. Time period only 1 year. 1305, next 1170. Here 1305, 1170. Here 5, next 10, 3, 235, 235. 1 year interest 235. This is called first equation. Second equation method, amount is equal to principal amount plus simple interest for 2 years. Amount 1170. Find principal amount, simple interest for 2 years, 1 year interest 235, 2 years interest 2 into 235. Then principal amount is equal to 900. Next, find out rate of interest per annum. By using formula, simple interest is equal to PT or by 100. Simple interest for 2 years or 1 year. 1 year 235. Next, principal amount 900 times 1, calculate rate of interest per annum. Rate of interest is equal to 50. Option C only correct. This is the method. Simple interest and compound interest. Simple interest 1 mark and compound interest 2 mark, 1 mark. Total 2 marks in TCS NQT test pattern. These two topics are depending only calculation. Simple method, simple interest PT or by 100, simple calculation. Compound interest, complicated, complex solutions. Compound interest using method. Amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of T. Here important only calculation, there is no logic here. But for fifth example, amount is equal to principal amount plus simple interest. Here calculate only rate of interest per annum. First statement and second statement using two equations, calculate only 1 year interest. The difference between two amounts, equation 1 minus 2 or 2 minus 1. 1 year interest is equal to 235. Next, from using any of two equations, either first equation or second equation, amount is equal to principal amount plus simple interest for 2 years. Suppose if we consider second statement, second equation, amount is equal to principal amount plus simple interest for 3 years, depending only time duration. Here amount 1170. Calculate principal amount, simple interest for 2 years, 1 year, 2 years. Calculate principal amount. Next formula, simple interest is equal to PT or by 100. Simple interest for 2 years. Principal amount, time given, all terms are given except rate of interest. Then rate of interest is equal to 15. This model very important. I think this model only important to TCS NQT. 1 mark only this concept. If you know these logics perfectly, then 1 mark completed in TCS NQT test pattern. Okay, right. Option C only correct. Verify the solution. Here important only calculation. There is no other logics here. Next, example number 6. In a certain amount, compound interest. Here compound interest means first we calculate amount. Amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of T. Compound interest type of questions are given. Just you apply compounded yearly, half yearly or quarterly. I think this is belongs to only compounded yearly. A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of T. A amount, P principal amount, R rate of interest per annum, T time in year. Next calculate compound interest is equal to amount minus principal amount. This is about application of the topic. But directly not possible. First calculate amount and then after only compound interest. First statement, compound interest, that value given. A compound interest is equal to 2048. Suppose here compound interest is equal to amount to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of T minus P. Here compound interest 2048. Calculate principal amount. Rate of interest 12.5 by 100 whole to the power of time. Time duration 5th year. T5 minus P. One equation, one unknown. Calculate P value. Next, second equation. What is the compound interest for the 8th year? I think same rate of interest. Calculate compound interest when time period 8 years. Again same. Amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of T. Here substitute here P. Then A is equal to P into R 12.5 by 100 whole to the power of 8. Next, compound interest is equal to amount minus P is equal to answer. Option C only correct. Verify the solution. Here important only calculation, but method only single method. A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of T. To both the cases when time is equal to 5, when time is equal to 8. This is about compound interest. First concept. Second concept, compound interest is equal to compound interest when rate of interest compounded half yearly or quarterly. Half yearly method, A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 2 by 100 whole to the power of 2T. And compounded quarterly, A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 4 by 100 whole to the power of 4T. This is called first concept. Second concept, the difference between compound interest and simple interest for 1 year, for 2 years, for 3 years. Third concept, installment concept, equal monthly installment, EMI concept. In compound interest, we have 3 methods. If you practice 3 methods perfectly, again 1 mark in the exam. 1 mark simple interest, 1 mark compound interest, total 2 marks in the exam. Okay, 2 marks completed, but we concentrate simplification also important to compound interest, but no need to worry about simple interest. That one simple calculation, here complex calculation. That is the difference. Okay. Next, 7th example. TRR and company S2 directors X and Y who have invested rupees 1,25,000 and 1 lakh. So, respectively, invested means partnership topic. Okay, ratio and proportion subtopic partnership. X is the working partner and streaming partners means that problem depending only partnership method. Takes 5% of the profit as his salary. Find X share of the profit if their annual profit is rupees 72,000. Total profit 72,000. Calculate X profit or X share. Share is nothing but profit or loss. Method. Profit is equal to investment into time. This is called partnership topic method. Next, A profit is to B profit. A profit is to B profit is equal to A investment into time is to B investment into time. A profit is to B profit is equal to A investment into time is to B investment into time. Note, when time is constant, when time same, then investment ratio is equal to profit ratio. Otherwise, when time not given, that indicate constant, then investment amount is equal to profit amount is equal to same. This is called application. Here, next, X and Y directives. Calculate X profit is to Y profit. Ratio of profits of X and Y is equal to a time not given. That means constant. If time constant, then investment ratio, profit ratio, both are same. X is to Y is equal to 1,25,000 is to 1 lakh. Okay. Next, ratio 5:4. Ratio 5:4. Next, total profit is equal to 72,000. But calculate X is the working partner and hence takes 5% of the profit as his salary. They calculate 5% of 72,000 and a salary amount of X is, this is extra because X is a working partner. Salary amount is equal to 5% of 72,000 is equal to 5 by 100 into 72,000 is equal to 35,000. Okay, 35,000, right? No, this is 72,000. 72 at 720, please. Is 720 into 5. 720 into 5, 5 into 0, 5 into 10, 3600. Is salary of X is equal to 3600. Remaining profit is equal to 72,000 minus 3600 is equal to 68,400 is called remaining profit. In that profit, calculate X share. X share or X profit is equal to X is equal to 5 parts, denominator total parts into remaining profit 68,400 is equal to 38,000. Option C only correct. This is about 7th example. But important only concept only important. Solution part very simple, calculation part very simple. Just to calculate only ratio of profits of X and Y. X is to Y is equal to 1,25,000 is to 1 lakh is equal to 5:4. Total profit is equal to 72,000. Calculate salary of X is equal to 5% of 72,000 is equal to 3600. Next, remaining profit is equal to 72,000 minus 3600 is equal to 68,400. In that profit, calculate X share or Y share. We want X profit or X share is equal to 5 by 9 into 68,400 is equal to 38,000. Option C only correct. Again important, I think only 1 mark, only partnership topic method. This is a topic using only one single formula, that is A profit is to B profit is equal to A investment into time is to B investment into time, and calculate profit or loss. Find A profit or B profit or A loss or B loss. That questions are belongs to partnership topic. Next, 8th one, median statistics. Pawan scored 44, 31, 50, 90, 80, 70, 56 and 10 runs in 10 innings of a cricket match respectively. Find the median score. Here median means middle value of the series. If n is odd, means number of n means numbers, total numbers. N is odd, then middle number is equal to unique. N is even, two middle numbers are possible, then median is equal to sum of two middle number by 2 is equal to answer. Otherwise, n by 2, n by 2, n by 2, comma, n by 2 plus 1. Find out middle numbers. N is odd, n by 2. N is even, n by 2, comma, n by 2 plus 1. This is called calculate middle numbers of the series. Method calculate median. A median concept above series write in ascending order. Ascending order, total we have 10 numbers. First one 31, next 44, next 50, next 56, 70, 80, 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 runs, 10 also. 10 please. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think 8 innings only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Otherwise, I think 0, 0. If 10 innings means duck out. That method also correct. No need to worry about 10 innings, right? A total 8 numbers means n is even. Middle numbers n by 2, comma, n by 2 plus 1. N by 2, comma, n by 2 plus 1 is equal to 50, comma, 56. Calculate median means middle. 50 plus 56 by 2 is equal to 58, 106. 106 by 2, 103. 53 means option C only correct. This is called median. Very simple concept. Median is equal to n by 2 when n is odd. That middle number only n by 2 of the series. Second, n is even, n by 2, comma, n by 2 plus 1. Then median is equal to sum of two middle numbers by 2 is equal to median. N by 2 50, n by 2 plus 1 56. Then median is equal to 50 plus 56 by 2 is equal to 53. I think this concept very simple, but statistics minimum 3 to 5 marks only. Statistics mean, median, mode, standard deviation, variance, range also important. Range also important. If you concentrate 4 definitions perfectly, then 3 to 5 marks completed in TCS NQT test pattern section A or module 1 numerical ability. Next, 9th example, time, distance and speed. Akshat, walking speed is 5 km per hour. The bus stop is 1 km away from his house. Next, Akshat walks to the bus stop and then takes a bus to school. The speed of the bus 40 km per hour. Akshat's school 10 km away from the bus stop. How much time will Akshat take to reach his school from his house if he board a bus as soon as he reaches the bus stop? Okay, right. Here calculate total time period. One is bus stop, house to bus stop to school. Here two conditions. Two conditions calculate total time period. T1 plus T2 is equal to answer. Next, what is time? Time is equal to distance by speed. Next, first statement T1. T1 indicate house to bus stop time duration. Total time taken by Akshat, house to bus stop. T1 is equal to distance by speed. Distance is equal to 1 kilometer. Speed 5 kilometer per hour. Time 1 by 5 hours. Convert into a minute. Hour convert into a minute. Multiplied by 60. Then T1 12 minutes. Second T2. T2 again distance by speed. Distance between bus stop and school 10 kilometers. Next, speed of a bus. Speed of a bus 40 km per hour. 10 by 40 is equal to 1 by 4 hours. Again, hour convert into a minute multiplied by 60 is equal to 15 minutes. T1 12 minutes, T2 15 minutes. Total time duration T1 plus T2 12 plus 15 27 minutes. Option C only correct. Very simple concept, but question very lengthy, but answer very simple. Just you apply only time condition. Time is equal to distance with speed. Both the cases T1 is equal to 12 minutes. Conversion also important. hour convert into a minute multiplied by 60, minute convert into a hour divisible by 60. A T1 plus T2 is equal to 27 minutes. Option C only correct. This is called time, distance and speed. But time, distance and speed important topics. 2 marks in your exam in TCS NQT test pattern. Important topics. Number 1, average speed important. Second, boat and stream important. Third, relative speed important. Just you prepare only 3 topics in time, distance and speed, then 2 marks completed your exam. Your first one, average speed concept. Average speed is equal to total distance by total time. Application. When 2 speeds are given, when distance is constant, average speed is equal to 2xy by x plus y. Similarly, 3 quantities. When distance again constant, average speed is equal to 3xyz by xy plus yz plus zx. Suppose when distance is not constant, average speed is equal to total distance by total time. Second concept, boat and stream. Another important. Boat and stream application. Time is equal to distance by speed. Speed calculate either speed of a downstream or speed of a upstream. Downstream speed x plus y, upstream speed x minus y. X means boat speed, y means stream speed of or water speed. Third concept, relative speed. Relative speed means find meeting time or meeting distance. Meeting time is equal to distance by relative speed. If 2 speeds are moving opposite direction, relative speed addition. If 2 trains are moving same direction, relative speed minus. This is called time, distance and speed application. 1 mark general, 1 mark boat and stream. Total 2 marks. Next, 10th example. The range of a set of data on the average marks of 10 children is 45.2. If the smallest value in the data set is 30.5, what is the largest value in the data set? Range means statistics topic. What is range? What do you mean by range? Range is equal to maximum value minus minimum value is called range. Here maximum minus minimum. Maximum minus minimum is equal to 45.2, that is given. Number of children, this is not required. A maximum not given. Minimum 30.5 is equal to 45.2. Then maximum is equal to 45.2 plus 30.5 is equal to 75.7. Maximum indicate largest. Option D only correct. Very simple concept. Range, a definition only important. Largest minus lowest. Maximum minus minimum is called range. Next, 12th example. I think 11th one missing. Alright, 12th example. 2 taps A and B fill an empty tank in 40 minutes and 60 minutes respectively. Both the taps are opened at 5 am. Then what time AB closed so the tank is filled in 36 minutes. This is called time and work concept. Time and work concept. One is M1 D1 T1 by W1 is equal to M2 D2 T2 by W2. Second concept, remaining work. And third concept, equation solving method. Only 3 methods in time and work. If you prepare that methods perfectly, then 2 marks completed in TCS NQT test pattern. But this example method, here comparing A time and B time, here B time is 36 minutes more than A time. Because A is closed. After that working only B tab. Then B time is 36 minutes more than A time. Then B condition. B 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60. B 36 minutes. 36 minutes work is equal to 36 by 60 is equal to 3 by 5. The B only completed in 36 minutes is equal to 3 by 5 of the work. Next remaining work is equal to 1 minus 3 by 5 is equal to 2 by 5. That work completed A in dash minutes. A capacity 2 by 5 into 40 is equal to 60 minutes. A starting time duration 5 am plus 16 is equal to 5:16. Option C only correct. This is the method. Simple concept. A notation also important. Fill indicate to plus operator. Empty indicate minus operator. But A and B fill the empty the tank, but fill that case only important. Both are using only addition operator. But here important only you check the time gap between A and B is equal to 36 minutes. Here B time is 36 minutes more than A time. Then calculate 36 minutes covered by B. B condition 1 minute 1 by 60. 36 minutes 36 by 60 is equal to 3 by 5. B only completed 3 by 5 of the total work. Remaining work is equal to total is equal to 1. 1 minus 3 by 5 is equal to 2 by 5. That one only pending. That work completed A in dash minutes. A capacity 40. 2 by 5 into 40. 16 minutes. So that answer for starting time 5 am plus 16. 5:16. Option C only correct. This is about paper number 3. TCS NQT test pattern. Numerical ability. Time duration 25 minutes. Number of questions 20 to 25. Maximum I think 20 only. One question 1 minute approximately 1 minute 30 seconds. Maximum time duration. But here important to only statistics calculation part, that means number system. Third, time and work, profit and loss, profit and loss. Next, simple interest and compound interest. These topics are very very important to TCS NQT. Okay. Yes. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.